In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Facebook live stream videos. Facebook has recently announced that they're going to delete all of the Facebook videos that are on your page because of a live stream or something like that. So now you only have like 30 days or 90 days, or sometimes they don't even let you save them. So if you want to keep those videos, which I'm sure you do, you can go ahead and keep them. So I'm going to show you the best way to go ahead and save those. So on your page that you have your live stream on, if it's on your personal, this is going to apply very similarly. But if you have a page where you live stream to and you want to save that content, go ahead and go to that page. So I work with this church, and I'm going to go to this church page. On the church page, on the left hand side, you're going to have the option to click the Meta Business Suite. So you're going to want to go there. So your Meta Business Suite, and then you're going to make sure that you're selecting the correct one that you want to go to. So Word of Grace Church is the one we have up here. And then you're going to go to your content. So let's come to the left, and then you're going to have all your content. So this is going to be everything you have. If it's going to be post, just pictures, or everything that you have. So on this one, you're going to see the live stream. This is 58 minutes and 11 seconds long. So you have control over this one. You can see the analytics and all kinds of other things, but we're not doing that. We're clicking these three little dots right here, and you can click that, and then you can click download. You have an option to click download SD or download HD. That's high definition and standard definition. More than likely, your live stream is already going to be kind of low quality just because it's live streaming, and that's just kind of how it works. You have to have lower quality if you don't have super great internet. But I do recommend trying to download it as HD, so high definition. They're not very big things to download, so this one downloaded relatively quickly. This one's 180 megabytes. That is not that much. So a 10th of or 20th of a gigabyte. So you're able to, it's, pretty good amount, but it's not crazy. So yeah, if you are really low on storage, then you might want to do different ones. If not, this should be an easy way to do. So you can go through on all these and go ahead and then download each one. So that is how you back up all your Facebook videos so they don't get deleted. So real time now, after editing this video, I realized I did not say this, but after doing research, I found out there's a way to automate this process. If you want to do that, I'll put in a video right here, and this will show you exactly how to automate all that stuff, all future videos, all existing videos, everything. There is a free version, and it's pretty good. There is a paid version as well. So if you're not willing to spend any money and you're not tech savvy, then video is probably not for you. You should just stick with this. But I did want to mention that. So if you want to automate this whole process, click this video right here.